Okay, welcome to another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. And with a shortage of this toilet paper, I thought I'd do a quick review on installing a bidet, which will help with eliminating the need for a whole lot of toilet paper. We have one downstairs, a built-in one. I'll show you that in a minute, but these aftermarket bidets are not bad at all. I installed this one yesterday, gosh, in about 15 minutes, something like that. So you want to take this whole unit here off. The easy way to do it is to pop these and just use a Phillips head screwdriver here, pop these off, take your commode lid off, and then install the bidet that you see there, right there, and then just put the lid back on. Very easy. You do want to center the spigot right in the middle, so just be sure you do that. Now over here, it's hopefully you can see that, but you're just turning the water off, letting the water drain, maybe flush the toilet after you do that so there's no water draining out, and put a little T plug in there. And so once you put the T in there, you'll be able to continue to run the water up to your tank, and then the other T off piece comes to the bidet here. So that's it. Turn your water back on. Make sure you don't have any leaks. You have one side. I better not turn this on, I'll turn it the wrong way. But one way is a cleanser, it sprays straight down. The other way, it sprays this direction. So there you have it. You can get these at Lowe's or somewhere, I think they are, for around 70 bucks. Buy them online for about the same price. And there you have it. It eliminates the need for a whole lot of this stuff. I promised you unedited, unfiltered Rod's Random Reviews. And then after you do this, you just snap these back in place. And of course there's a washer underneath that you just tighten, or make sure you tighten back up. But you can tighten from the top so you don't have to crawl under your toilet there. So again, very random Rod's review. Good luck installing yours. Shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes. The aftermarket bidets definitely do not work as well as the custom factory made bidets with all of the heat controls and various controls and temperatures and that sort of thing, which is also nice. But anyway, the aftermarket ones in this toilet paper shortage is probably not a bad way to go to help with that.